Hey guys, welcome to this video. Now is the time to start taking action and creating your pixel, your Facebook pixel, which is the first step we are doing here on the course. The pixel is a unique code that you will receive for your Facebook account. You will need only one pixel to reach and to track all your websites. And don't worry about that and how to do that right now, because we are covering all that here on the course. So the first step is creating the pixel. Let's do that right now here together in this video. Here we are on facebook.com. The first step is to go to the ads manager. So we can go through the left menu under explore. Here we have the ad manager. Not everybody have the ad manager here, so if you don't have it here, don't worry. The other way that you can access is through the panel here on the right side, top right hand side. Click on the arrow pointing down. Here you have the menu with your pages, your business account and all that, and here we have manage ads. So click on that. And if you don't have this option here, the Facebook manage ads, you can also go to facebook.com/ads/manager. This is the direct link that will forward you to the ads manager, okay? Here we are in the ads manager. The first step, the second step actually that we do right now here is to click on the top menu. Here you see ads manager, the three lines here which expand the menu, and you go to all tools, and here we have under assets the third option is pixels. So click on that, and I already have my pixel created, and as I told you in the beginning of this video, we cannot create a second pixel because each account have access only to one pixel, and that's correct. You will understand why here on the course. So to create your pixel, you can click, you will probably have here on the center an option, hey, create pixel or set up your pixel. You click on that. Here we have the option, set up your pixel. And here we have the code. So step number one, choose how you want to install your pixel, okay? The second option is the one that we are using. You see copy and paste the code. And if you don't have this menu, also you can go to actions and click on edit pixel or view pixel code, okay? So let's go here, and here we have the code. Lot of people confused here on this part because they see the code here and they don't know what to do. So the thing that we are doing here is clicking on this area, so you see the green message saying copy to the clipboard, and now we go to a text processor program that you have on your computer. You can use like Microsoft Word, or you can use any text processor, and just paste the code here. And let me show you some small details here so you understand. And here we have the code in the step number 2. This is the code. This is your Facebook pixel, unique pixel. This is only for you and for your company. And this code shows and tells Facebook that these people that are going to your website and that are visiting your pages are coming for your pixel. So Facebook will automatically register all of them under your account. I'll show you in details that later in the course. So for now, let me show you here, we have the pixel code. So click on the blue area here to copy. You see the green message saying copy to clipboard. So now we need to paste this in some place in order to edit it and to take a look. So I open here a text document. You can use Microsoft Word or any other text processing program that you have on your computer, so we can see the code. This is your code, and we have a unique Facebook ID, pixel ID, and this is the ID. You see here on the fourth line from bottom to top, you see source, http facebook.com, blah, 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 ID equals, and this is my ID on this case, right? You will have a different number, of course, and this is the unique number that we are using for your pixel. Later in the course, guys, also, we will explore more options here on the Facebook HTML code, how you can modify these in order, even if that is saying here, do not modify, we will do small changes here that will help you to track events on your website. So when people purchase your product, when people add some products to the cart, for example, when they checkout when they abandon, cart abandonment, so they are ready to purchase and they don't finish the purchase on your website. That's in case you have an online store. If you have any other kind of website, we will cover all that on this course with this pixel code. I hope you like this. I hope you are excited. And in the next video, we will install this pixel, this Facebook pixel on your website step by step. See you there. My goal as instructor is to make sure that you have real results and to make sure this course is a 5-star course for you and for all students. After this lecture, Udemy will ask you for a review to review this course. If you are ready to review, if you like this course, if you are happy with what you are learning, please leave your review here after this video. If you are not ready, that's totally fine. And if you want to learn more, watch more content before you leave your review, you can click on Ask Me Later, so you will have other chances to leave your review here on Udemy. Your review is super important because it helps the course to grow and especially to reach more people, more entrepreneurs that like you are looking for ways to grow their business and improve their life with this strategy, with this content. So that's why your review is important, and you can help me and help the course to grow by leaving your review here on Udemy. If you have any suggestion, if you don't like the course for any reason, that's totally fine. And I like that because you can help me also to improve the course. So if you have any suggestions, go to the Q&A session here on Udemy and send me your message with your suggestions. I will be happy to implement right away on the course, okay? To make it better for you and for future students. After that, we are ready to continue with the course.